Cool. Hey, yo. Let's do this. Right. We got this. It's gonna be grand. We're gonna have so much fun. I think. No, we'll be good. We'll be good. I see some awesome stuff happened now. Wakey, eggs and bakey, please. Thank you. Whoop. That's what I need to do. One thing at a time, right? I saw my hair and I was like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what is that? There we go. I think. Yeah, I think there we go. There we go. That's better. Okay. What am I doing? I'm doing this. So I had to remind myself about where my head was at. There we go. I found my head, nobody panic. Oof. Rough. Oh, we have some equal highs here now. Really good equal highs. Okay. Came down. Took out Asia low. What the heck? Why does it always decide to move nicely when I'm no longer part of the flipping equation? Rude. Oh, there's so much juicy liquidity sitting underneath. Hey, Geordie, what up? How are you doing? You think it's gonna go back up? I mean, it could. It could now be looking for Asia high and the juicy noms. Hey, Shub, how you doing? Are we ready? Also, hi, Geordie. Did you manage to get in on any of this, or did you also take a little bit of a break, or what did you do? Oh, let's give it. That one was cute. Hey, Rambo, how's it going? This is the 2 minute. What does a 5 minute look like? Yeah, that was the key level there. I still don't understand why it's red there, but it's fine. We're gonna just move on from that. Okay. I'm on the 5. Okay. 15 minute. Ellipses. Hi. Oh, what? Are you serious, Geordie? What happened? Ellipses, I feel like I need to just stop calling you a robot just for funsies. Hey, robot, how you doing? What am I making? A mess. No, I'm joking. Aw, ellipses. I am a teeny tiny bit late today. Sorry about that, actually. That's on me, my bad. Oh, let me hide the chaos. Meep. There we go. Okay, so I haven't taken out that. So, I mean, but we are headed. You think it might want to take out this liquidity and head back up? What are the thoughts for today, guys? Hey, Starboy, Mad Love, how you doing? And the 1 hour. Wow, I mean, the 4 hour just... Whoa. Anyways, are you ready for chaos? I'm gonna pop it from the 4 hour down to the 1 minute. Chaos. No, I'm joking. It's not that bad. I mean, it's not great. Okay, let's just make life easy. Problem solved. Okay, ready for chaos? Boom. Chaos. Nami up here, but I wonder if it is gonna keep going up. I have not marked anything on ES. I've been really bad at marking things on ES, which is disgusting, but at least I have it open and I have been watching it. So, you know, little wins. Little wins for Maya. Okay, now I'll focus. Focusing. Ali, what up? How you doing? Too much inducement. You never know if there's enough liquidity, if it's just go. Ellipses? I don't know. 846 buy side. Okay. Why there? Why there? 26 is a nice level. Yeah, 100%. I got it marked. Rip. Nice level, even if it doesn't look like it. NQ moved over 90% on it. We are in a low of day zone statistically. Interesting. Okay, so Rip, you think it might be going back up? It started with just risk of 150 on this ES scalp, and then another, then a vengeance trade, and then poof. A flip, Geordie. So how bad is it? I'm scared to ask, but how bad is it? Read from the FOMO of the first trade and then a few break evens. Oh, don't worry, guys. We've got this. I mean, I haven't even placed the trade today. Let's see. Let's see. We've got this. We've got this together. Hopefully it gives us some good moves. I'm excited. So, wait. Okay, I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark it. Let's see, Rambo. You've been on point. So, 856. Boop. Boop. Okay. And then you're saying which imbalance? I've lost it. There we go. 918 imbalance. This itty bitty little one. Okay. This itty bitty little imbalance. Oh, I mean, it has rejected off of it twice. Nip dip. Cool. Well, I mean, it's basically doing it already and it hasn't even opened yet. Hey, Rambo. Heisenberg, why do I have 2 streams open? I've always had 2 streams open. You only realize now, Rambo? Heisenberg! This may or may not be my 3rd cup of coffee for the day. So this is about to get wild up in here. Yep. Ellipses, let's see. It was an eval. The live is still alive. Okay, and healthy, but still bad habits aren't good in the game as I know. Previous stay low, it might want that also. Oh, rip, I mean, that's valid. It's right there. It could want it. I wonder, maybe it wants to take it out and head back up? Let's find out. AS, do I trade gold? No, but maybe next week. I'm really contemplating because gold just looks more respectful. Not such a diva like NASDAQ. Hey, Vishal, how you doing? Irish Bitcoin advice, invest in whiskey stocks. Ooh. An original gangster? I mean... Okay, not really like... Ooh, fun fact, guys. Do you go... Oh, flip, what is it? Mountain Dew. Do you know Mountain Dew? I don't... Yeah, I'm hoping you guys know Mountain Dew. You know, Mountain Dew was specifically made as a whiskey... Not a chaser. Mix. A whiskey mix. It was supposed to be mixed with whiskey. Here's your little fun fact for Thursday. Anyways, first 15-minute filling, 50% of the gap is 80% probability for today. Oh, damn. Okay, rip, let's see. I'm looking like Black Widow in that suit. Ooh, nice. Sun, Tom Cruise. If I don't know anything about trading, cool to ask questions, or should I just look them up? Spotty Beard. Ask away. This is a learning platform. You know, maybe you're gonna ask something that's gonna teach me something, right? And if I don't know, someone on this community probably will. If not, then I think look it up. But more than welcome to ask questions, yeah. Hey DK, how's it doing? Ellipses, why do I even know that? I can't remember. To be honest, I think I saw it like in a TikTok or something, and then I was like, no, that's a lie. So I Googled it and it's real. I went on a deep dive on it because I saw this and I was like, no, that's not right. Amir, how long have I been trading? Not that long. Since April. 2 minutes to go. Okay, I mean, it respected this level twice, Rambo, and now it just went right through it. Let's see what happens. Sun, you like Mountain Dew. I mean, Mountain Dew is really good. That's a great fun fact. Thank you. Yeah, Jordy, so to be fair, I then tried it afterwards because I was genuinely curious. The problem was I had it with like a cheap whiskey. And I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but I'm not the biggest whiskey fan. But it wasn't bad. Yeah, it wasn't like I said, I'm not a whiskey fan, and I was like, oh, it's not terrible, you know. Anyways. The rip, really? Like 8 times, do you have it on record? Ellipses, I mean, why not? Monster Marv, you think it's gonna be a bearish day? It should not violate 916 low. Really? Okay, Rambo. Let's see. I'm almost shocked. What whiskey was it? What's one of the cheapest whiskeys, Dory? That was probably that one. Hey Manny, what up? How you doing? Am I profitable or in a drawdown so far? I mean, on a 50k eval, I'm on 49,544, so I'm in a little bit of drawdown. But I'm not profitable yet. Anyways. Invalid. Oop, done. Taken out. Hey. Is this it? Is it wanting this New York low before it pops back up, or is it just gonna keep freaking dropping? Is this the drop that we've all been waiting for? Potentially. Let's wait for volatility to calm down before I start speculating. I'm talking rubbish. So I've been doing a little bit of research on gold, by the way. So like, for example, I didn't know it was called the safe haven asset. Yeah, I've been learning quite a bit about it. It's quite cool. Ooh, Geordie? Look, where is the NWOG even? I haven't... I marked it out, but I haven't been... Shoot. I have to go back to Monday when I drew it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take 5 ever. And this just looks like chaos. Okay, we can do this. Nope, we can't do this. I will do it just now. I wonder, I've been waiting for it to pop down to the NWOG. I say that and I haven't even freaking drawn it, but anyways. Yeah, exactly, Ellipses. So, like I said, I've been learning about it a little bit and I was like, huh, interesting. Focus. I'm a safe haven, no need to look elsewhere. Noise. Terrible, but anyway. China's buying gold to back their currency, apparently. Don't know if it's true, but heard that. Interesting. But what I did read is that it's the safe haven, so when it starts rising, like it has been, it means that there is a bunch of fear going on in the economy. which makes sense with recent times. A full port on... I'm sorry, I'm not gonna full port. I guess BTC is coming, it's sister asset now. Let's see. Okay. We've got this. So just a heads up for everyone. Tomorrow, New York session, Boom Banana's gonna hop on as co-host for the stream, and because of this morning's fun stream, he is going to buy a 50k eval and he's going to full port it tomorrow live during the New York session. Cycle always just keeps going up, even though the value is kind of static, and yes, China is known to be the own. Interesting. Ah, that makes sense, ellipses. Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was just super interesting. I was like, that makes lots of sense. It also is correlated with JPY and the USD as well. Fun fact, snake and drum, but there we go. I know the USD, you know, it's that, was it XAU USD, something like that? Yeah. Obviously they correlate with one another. I said obviously. I've read. USD, not a good trade. Try wonder. Well, I guess in current times, it's not. But why do you say it's not? Oh, ellipses, interesting. That's CFD. Futures is gold. Thank you, LP. Okay, so it took out the New York low. It's gonna just keep plummeting. Current, of course. Out of curiosity, does anyone know what this means? Just want to know if anyone knows what that means. Don't want to tell you guys, but do you know what it means? Just FYI. Yeah. Not like ES and NQ, but they're inversely correlated. Yeah. Fear sentiment equals folks buy gold. Yeah. Greedy sentiment equals US bonds. That makes sense. You just buy gold. Interesting. Can you hold? I don't know. I can't. I can't swear. Does anyone know what that means? That they can tell ellipses. My dad told me this just to give you an idea. He's a very fun guy. But anyways, for how long have I been watching movies by... I haven't. Is that where it comes from? See, like I said, my dad told me, so maybe my dad's been... You buy gold, can you hold it close? Mohammed, I haven't been looking that deep into it. Thoughts, guys? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's taking out yesterday's New York low. Holy moly. Jordy, do you know what this means? If not, I'm surprised. AQZ, hi, how you doing? What stock is this? Not stock, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Whoa. Okay, this is just running away. Ellipses, I don't know. I'm a little bit scared. Kagans? Hi, from Indonesia. Hello. Welcome from South Africa. Well, actually, everyone from all over the world, but I'm from South Africa. Holy guacamole. What is happening? well, it's nearly tapped into some liquidity on ES. Maybe that's what it's looking for. Damn. Just damn. Whoa. Spotty Beard, as a non-trader, you see that drop and think buy, 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 buy. Don't you mean sell? Sell, sell? In crazy momentum times like this, you like to follow the trend and hope for the best, or wait and time a reversal? I tend to stick with trend ellipses. Yeah, I wait for a bit of a not a reversal up, retest, back up, to hopefully come get me in. So I try not to chase. Try being the keyword. FOMO, like right now, FOMO is like get in, get in, get in, get in, but need at least a little bit of confirmation. Okay, this market doesn't like the word retrace. There we go. Retrace as well. No, it doesn't. It's just going for it. Buy the dips. Oh, Spotty Beard, you sound like you know a little bit about this. Oh. Huh. Thanks, Mecha Fire God. Emotional selling. Buy. Hey, Jay Simpson. Oh, you think this is emotional selling? And it's going to start popping up soon? That's what I'm hearing. Interesting. Well, let's see. Okay, they're tapped into that liquidity on ES that I was talking about. Let me quickly just pop this over here. Come, load, please. Thank you. Check out the... Holy moly. How far back is this freaking liquidity? There it is. Hey! It's N-Walk! Pop back into the N-Walk on ES. Oh, it's about to tap into it on ES. Whee! There we go, Jordy. Maybe that answers that. Okay, and Asia Low grabbed it. Hey, Kazbox, how you doing? It'll go up soon. You think so? Trump's Asia trip. Fed cut rate equals fear sentiment equals buy gold. Ellipses? Interesting. I mean, theoretically, right? Interesting ellipses. Ah. Yes and no, but I wouldn't say yes to anyone who actually knows about it. I don't even know where to go to start day trading. Interesting. I mean, do you want to start Spotty Beard? I'm assuming. Maybe. Yeah. 100% with you. Bulls will continue. I'm banking on a test of 25,500, really. Wait, Adam, Bulls will continue or Bears will continue? Guns and gaming, slow, steady, reliable, but growth. I'm assuming you do... whatchamacallit. Wow. Oh my gosh. English has depleted. Literally, I forgot how to say depleted there for a second. There we go. I'm assuming you do more investing. There we go. Oh my gosh. Casbox. I'm doing great. I'm doing good. Good. Can you guys tell I'm in a much better frame of mind? Kung Fu money is only real money. Gelato Beam? I like you. You're mostly into long term? There we go. Oh, okay, Adam. I was like, wait, what? Looks like a nice dip. Zoom out to see trends. Okay, give me a second. Let's look at the 5 minute first. Sorry, I'm on the 1 minute for anyone wondering. I'm just going to turn off all the things so it's not too chaotic. The 5 minutes, let's check 15. Wow, it's been volatile recently. Okay, 1 hour. Ooh, ooh, interesting. I actually wanted to mark this area when I was looking at the 1 hour earlier. Huh. Came back into this order block. See the 4 hour. Hey, okay. Tapped solidly into this order block, but I mean, that's... Whoa. Okay. Vanguard growth is one of your favorites. Interesting. Yes, I know, but can't afford it, especially if I mess up. Spotty Beard, have you ever tried, definitely not financial advice. If you can't afford it right now, obviously wait until you have capital you don't mind losing. But have you ever thought about maybe doing then a prop firm? I'm up over... Whoa, that's ridiculous. Guns and gaming, wow. I'd love a nice pullback to get short. I think we might get to NWOG. Jordy! Where's NWOG? Oh, maybe I must just scroll up and find it. Don't mind me, ignore me. I was being cheeky. I was gonna be like, just tell me where things are. No, must just be better. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is this NWOG? I think this might be NWOG. It is NWOG. This is just absolute chaos. I apologize. This looks shocking when you zoom out. Whoa, I am so sorry. Okay, but there we go. Now we can zoom back in. Whew, that's better. Now my eyes don't hurt anymore. This is too big. This is just too big. Yeah. I mean, Jordy, this is just massive. Yeah, sorry. Jay Simpson, you hate futures. You doubt it's going much lower? Let's see. JJ, so why is it up from yesterday? With the sound? What do you mean, Vujay? What's happening? The rip, no way I'm selling in Q today. 700-ish, okay. Focus time, 9:45. So, yep. I guess, I know, Jordy, but still. What, you don't think this is massive? This is massive for me. It's massive for me. With my little 1 minute trades, this is big. Don't worry, I did zoom out. I was on the 4 hour now we are the change. I saw that flipping to the moon skyrocket movement. It's ridiculous. Hey, Raphael Brown, how you doing? I mean, it took out yesterday's Asia low, so maybe it now just is going to reverse back up. I didn't. I'm sorry. Okay. But we're the change. I apologize. Yeah, it's been a wild day. It's been a wild week. It's been a wild month. I'll leave it at that. Spotty Beard, what's the delay when buying and selling? What do you mean by the delay? Jay Simpson, you still think this is a dip trick? Let's see, this is why we wait for confirmation, right? Wait for confirmation. Took out Asia low. Yeah, I mean, this looks like that momentum up. Thanks, it's bounced off of NWOG on ES. This drops back down now. Doing great. Yay! Okay, you're safe. I'm glad, Raphael. The Sparko 7, so I'm not trading a pair, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. I'm in this retracement upwards. Plus $200. Ooh, nice, Justin. Do you think it's going to continue up? Oh, don't you stress, Raphael. You do you. First time watching. What's your favorite part about my strategy? I want to say the simplicity of it. And it's very much set it up and hands off. I think that's it works for me, else I start to overthink things and then I let emotions get in the way. I know obviously that doesn't work so well with some people, but yeah. Try to get 10 or 20% confirmation. You retrace 50, it's kind of too late to make a call. I mean, it's why I'm not getting in on this. I say it's massive for me, by the way. I'm just not willing to risk that much yet. Okay, let's check out the 15-minute ellipsis. Sorry, let me get rid of the noise. There we go. Took out there. Yeah. Basically took out some relatively equal lows. And it was the Asia low, actually. Hey, Sopai, how you doing? Some guy not here today? Well, not yet. Maybe he'll pop in later, I'm not sure. Hey, well, welcome. Hey, Tim Tom. Where have you been? I've missed you. Monster Marv looks bullish. It does look bullish, especially if we go out, but let's see. Yep, there it goes. Justin, are you sitting pretty right now? Where's your TP at? You got in on the pullback. I made 5. All right. Thomas, well done. Ellipses. This is just doing madness right now. I can't trade this yet, so I'm waiting for my A+ setup. I know for some of you this is probably like the best thing in the world. Which trade is this? Andile. Sorry, I see that. Andile. This is the Nasdaq futures. Are you serious, Monster Marv? What? What? Son, you think it's going up? Cool. The rip a good thing I bought, yeah. Jay, yeah. Kevin Crow, hi. When a whale is buying or selling millions, it's the day traders who allow them to complete those trades quickly. JJ, that makes sense. Now, for me, it's too late to get in already. True. Thanks, I guess. Sid, moving on. John, are you then done for the day? You're like... So, Justin, are you also done for the day? Damn! Look at you guys go. Stone Fisherman. Oh, sorry, I sell, so I'm a scalper, so I sell within minutes. Sorry, I don't hold. Damn, so Jean, are you gonna like lock yourself out? Look at that V formation. Nice. I'm gonna take some here, but is it gonna keep going up now? Okay. Okay, let's see. It's going to spike, dip, then normalize. Spike up to where, Jay? Where do you think? Inverted head and shoulders forming. Wait for the right shoulder. Aim head, neckline is a target. Ah, thanks, Kronos. Hey, Vujay, whoop whoop. I'm full putting on my funded. No. Just no. Yeah, good idea. Good idea. Well, because I was waiting. I was waiting. I knew it. I knew it. I knew someone was going to make a comment. Of course it had to be you. Moving on. Papa Trife. No, no. I'm not forward testing. Just waiting for my A+ entry. I don't have one yet, so... Like I said, I don't just market buy or market sell. It doesn't work for me emotionally. Not great. Certain program? No. Why are you apologizing, Thomas? You've done nothing wrong. Okay. That was not on my list of what I thought today would bring, but here we go. So deep, no, sorry, not BTC. This is Nasdaq Futures. Halfway to top of last peak. Thomas is not an agent, nah, he's just awesome. We love Thomas. Andile, no. I'm thinking buys. That's just my bias for now. Hello. I just don't know if this is going to give me an entry. I trade all of those, so with footprint so much simpler and pure chemistry. Changed the way I looked at markets. Interesting, Sean. Interesting. I find Mr. Smith. Nope. All biggest YouTube fan page. Bro! Okay, anyways. Which strategy do I use? So I use my own little strategy, although careful, I got yelled at because they were like, that's the thing. Anyways, I don't use a sorry, that's just hectic barking. I'm just listening to make sure there's no one here. No, we're good. Maybe it's the monkey. No, but it doesn't. That's fine. I'm sure we're fine. I like London Meds. Seems a good first TP. Interesting. Caution bag? What the heck? That was ridiculous, my man. Ellipses. Andile, yeah, there's a lot of people that trade gold. Ellipses traded gold earlier? Yeah. Focus monkey? Yeah. Well, no, I don't think it's monkey. Adam, show us your puppy. I mean, he ran outside now. Here, customer, the run before the dip. Here comes the run before the dip. Okay. Earlier today we got to man. Gold makes big profits. I've realized. All biggest YouTuber fan page. So only MNQ for now, though I might be looking at gold next week. Let's see. Also, BTW, for anyone that was not around for London session this morning, tomorrow New York session, because, you know, it's trick or treat, right? So I'm gonna treat you guys. Boom banana. Thanks to the roll of the dice. Is going to full port tomorrow during the New York session live. He's gonna hop on as co-stream and he's gonna full port a 50k eval account. gosh, bag, are you gonna like share the love here or? Gold makes and breaks accounts. Yes. Gold is addicting. You gotta learn how to snipe to actually trade on it. If you ever get a chance to watch Chart Fanatics with Fabio, going to work. You've told me about it. I have copy pasted it. I will have a look eventually. Sorry. Ah, Zubair, thank you. Very sweet. I think the real pumps are starting next month. Monster Mob, you think so? Why? JR, how's your day going? You're up 2.5k. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Nothing yet for me. It was hectic and hectic. So like I said, I need to wait for my strategy setup. And Delay, can I teach you Forex? Like I'm still learning. I'm still learning. Oh, you're back. Hi, how you doing? Yep, you're back. Funny. If I were to hold my last TP, it would go all the way to 26250. What? Are you serious, John? That's ridiculous. Something is one. Give me a second and done. 10 seconds till 10 a.m. Okay. It was Thursday it was going to go down. Oh, ellipses, that's valid. Don't think about the what could have happened. Just be happy with what did. Oh, sad. Value. Yeah. Here we go. Wow, I mean, I wanted movement. There's movement. Holy moly. Chronos, you know my strategy. I can't just hop in on this. Well, maybe. Let's see if it goes up high enough and maybe it will retrace back down and maybe I can get in on it. So I'm also trying really hard to not now FOMO. I'm trying really hard to not now FOMO. Yeah, rip 100%. Remember, I do auction market theory, guys. I need that little bit of reversal to get in before it pumps up. There's been no reversals, there's only been movement, which is good, which is good. Just not for my entry or my strategy. Hey Bumba, what up? Oh, Moonlighter, what happened? I know you did, Jay. Elite profits, I'm done here. It's 10 though. Damn, so now you chill? You'd be interested in longs? I am interested in longs. I am. I really, really am, but I'm a little itty bitty bit scared. Not scared. Scared is the wrong word. I'm waiting to see if it's gonna want to retest, if we're gonna keep going up. Now, what do we think the plan is? JJ, valid. There we go. Sorry, I saw that. That was my Wi-Fi being silly. Thanks, Rip. Yep, I know. Just stick with it. Boomba, how long do I spend per day? So minimum 4 hours per day. I trade both London and New York session. Doesn't mean I trade every day. I'm live every day, but I'm being better at waiting for my setups. Yeah, John. It's super chilled here. Amazing community. Now and then there's chaos, but the chaos tends to leave by itself. But yeah, super supportive community. I love this community. It's amazing. Zubair? Wait, what? Which one? What are you talking about? This one? Why didn't I get in here? Is that what you're asking? Clocks, the dollar is going to collapse? You think so? But how long do I spend per day doing this? GX? But no, wait, why sad face? Why are you crying? Washing bank. Totally is down 20%. It's time to get nervous when people can no longer afford $10 burritos. I mean, $10 is a lot, but that's just because I'm from South Africa. You're in at 33 and I'm gonna hold it. I'm assuming you're in on 33 on gold, Geordie, yes? But have I heard of the set and forget strategy? I have. That's all I'm gonna say, isn't it? Jake, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Is this a retracement? Retest? Whatever you want to call it. Clorox, damn, that was rough. First fair value gap after 9:30. I mean, this one here, I guess maybe you're meaning this massive one. Let's check higher time frames. Maybe I should do that. Ooh. I can maybe do like one contract with how flipping huge this is. I know a lot of you are gonna say it's not that big. For me, it's big. The gap was filled as predicted. Previous day low taken as predicted. Low of days for now. Not met yet. The London mid relative equal highs. Is that VWAP on your chart, John? Yes, it is. The blue thingy here. Yep, that's VWAP. I mean, the 5 minute is ready for a retest. Lara, ask ChatGPT. What am I asking? ChatGPT? Ooh. Wash your bag? Why is that? Oh no! Sorry, JJ. That makes sense though. John, you always love that indicator. Wait, let me just... Oh no, Wi-Fi's calmed down a little bit today. You really like the VWAP? Why? Arab money. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Damn it. I don't know if I would have been super confident taking this though. But basically, it's market auction theory. taking out these stops. Taken, come on. I think it wants to go to the equal highs. Would have moved to midpoint. Flow the market manipulation is active now. We're earning and buying now. Waiting to count down for manipulation end. Interesting. Is it gambling? No, it's only gambling if you're doing silly billy things. But if you're doing risk management, if you have the right psychology, if you have the strategy that works for you. I was watching your shorts while waiting for you to come live. You're no longer following the sum of the ellipses? What do you... Oh, yeah. What do you mean? Wait. Am I not? Wait, I'm confused. Is that a good or bad thing? Now I'm like, what do you mean? Wait, where am I? Who am I? Okay, so that would have been a very little loss over there. Jordy, this is too painful to hold. Oh, this is headed for some bad things. Again, like I said, this wouldn't be terrible. No, it would be if I drew it like a chop. Again, I'm just gonna say this, for me, this is just too big. For me, this is just too big to trade, unfortunately. Sorry, guys. I know for some of you, you're like, ah, this is amazing. Some guy, hey yo, how's it going? Watermelon. Sorry, that's how I read it. Have I been getting better? I think so. I've been getting better, especially mentally, I think. But I guess you're gonna have to ask chat and the people that are around. Hey, Jack Sam. What up? How's it going? Jordy, are you still in this? No, some guy, but there's always another one, right? Right, there's always another trade. Are you serious? What? Ellipses, what the heck? I think the flush is coming. What? I missed this. There we go. VWAP is a good reversal point. That's valid. But do we think the flush is coming? No. GX, don't do it. That's all I'm saying. Some guy, you've got this. Waterman is a spy? No. Buja, I think even if I reduce my position size, yeah, on to the next. There we go. But NQ moved like 100%. The median move from last 10 days is possible. The rip, I hear you, but I mean, with this hectic movement it just did now, you don't think it's... I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying. Zubair, what up? Baza, what's happening? Caution bag. Why are there plenty of famous investors but no famous traders? Maybe they're shy. Caution bag. Okay. Go on, Geordie. Yash, do I use VWAP? I love that man. He's a go. I don't. Sorry, Piash. Always another plenty of fish in the sea. Some guy, no. Nothing. I mean, it's a little bit large. I don't think I can pop in anything yet. Don't sell, not good for now. Oh, don't worry, sell. Sell. Son, I wasn't looking at a sell, I was potentially looking at a buy here. I mean, these inverse fair value gaps, they're a beautiful order block on the 5-minute. Yep. To be fair, then the stop should be a little bit lower down. I mean, maybe for the 4-hour trade. Entry at the 0.2. But sorry, don't mind me. Well, this is not ideal. One hour. Minute. Weird. Structure. Sorry, I'm being very quiet. Sorry. If I were to be interested, I want to see buyers coming back in aggressively. John, that's the thing. It doesn't really look like they are, does it? Huh, wait, maybe they are. Huh. Damn, did I maybe miss? No. That was so... Anyways. Trader. They're too busy trading. Investors have time to do other stuff. Oh, JJ, I mean, that kind of makes sense, right? The bear market is reversing from first 3-minute fair value gap. This one? You think it's gonna pop back up now, Zubair? I don't know. I just need a little bit more confirmation of which direction this wants to go. Because, I mean... One, sellers are wiping. Give me 2 seconds. My dog's looking at me like he's super sad. Let me just check his food before he starts barking at me. He has food. I think he's just grumpy because, well, we didn't stay at the horses very long today because it's been raining. Okay. There we go. couldn't walk away. Skeletor, why? Not a chuckle out of you. Okay. But the thing is, if you love the process of trading, then why wouldn't you do it all the time? If you love what you do, then you never have to work a day in your life. Some guy, I love that. Hey, check. Apparently shorts was the way to go while it's retesting back down, which means potentially is this FOMO? I don't know if this is FOMO. Oh no, that's coming in hot. That's coming in way too hot. Or it's not, and I'm just an idiot. Oh, the volatility is scaring me a little bit today, but I shouldn't be scared, right? I need to get over myself. Get over it. Bujay, you think don't do it? Ellipses. Okay. Hey, Boom, how's it going? Told everyone about tomorrow, Boom, just saying. Everyone knows. Focus, what? Yeah, you just woke up. Damn, Boom, you missed a lot. You're gonna kick yourself. Yeah. Sugar, honey, and iced tea. Look at this. Tap in. I would have been at least break even now. Thanks, Bujay. That's valid. Only two trader, what up? How you doing? You and Boom, are you guys like together? You guys just hopped on at the same time. Oh, some guy, Boom Banana, is going to buy a 50k account and full portrait tomorrow live. He's going to hop on and be co-host, if you will. Yeah. That, flip, I was just about to draw this. And be like, it's going to want to retest this. Huh. That is a very big sigh to be sighing. Just saying. Aww. Pixeltail, you're so sweet. Thank you for the support. You're amazing. Okay, so let's see. This one looks like... Yep. Okay, so this would have been a break-even trade. I guess, you know, didn't lose anything, didn't gain anything. Still grumpy that I didn't take it. But I should have drawn this a little bit sooner. I wonder if it's going down for the order block, though. Retesting a little bit lower. Yeah, proper bounce off of this inverse fair value gap. Okay. Ooh! Oh my goodness. I pressed wrong things. Sorry. No! What just happened? Sorry, give me a second. My bad. Okay, I'm done. Internet, what up? How you doing? No, I don't. Supercar Galaxy. Okay, there we go. Woo! And Kevin's, I wasn't in a trade. Can you imagine I did that and I was in a trade? That would have been bad. Russian bag? Well, luckily, I'm not profitable yet, so I don't have to worry about that just yet, do I? Anyways. Vuce, what's up? That was terrifying. Moving on. Ah, and ultimately it would have been a win. Bummer, dude. Oh well. Now let's see if this keeps popping a little bit lower. Wonder if it's gonna retrace a tad bit back up. See, now I feel like I'm chasing price. Hey, Geordie! Well, you know what? Break-even's not bad, right? Could be worse. Hey, I had the right idea. Boom! No? Some guy, I love that. That's very valid. This is good. Okay, this is potential. This is potential. I'm getting excited, which is maybe a problem. And I don't like that silly damn... Okay, let me just make it full then. I don't like that damn wick, but... we're doing this. I've made it one less contract than I probably should. Maybe this is a mistake. But let's see. Focus. Shush. I didn't mean to. I almost told you about. Okay. SMY? Hi. Hi from South Africa. How's Russia treating you? What's the purpose of my chat room? Goodness grief, what do you mean? What do you mean by the purpose of it? Because that's a loaded question. No, internet, no. That's for the 4R strategy, not my usual 2R strat. Which I know makes it a little bit more risky, but yeah. Okay, getting a little bit of support once it's taken there. Come on, just wick me in, please, before you go back down. It's at a good spot because it's right by the order block. Let's see what happens. But point is, go on, some guy. Battle. Sorry. Anyways, point is, I took it. I waited for good confirmation. I'm a little bit upset about the previous one, but it would have been a break even anyways, so it's fine. Naturally now I'll watch it go back up, but it's fine. It is what it is. You're stealing my setup, internet? That's okay. Ah, the wicks are making me think it's gonna go back up. Oh well. Going down. Oh, sugar, honey, and iced tea. It hits the inverse fair value gap on ES. Blip. Well, we're in it now. Win or lose. So now, I just chat to you guys. What is my tax strategy for when I'm profitable? Hopefully by then, like some guy said, I can maybe have an accountant and be like, you deal with it. Hong market. Oh, wait. Do you know what I have not done? I have not sorted out this. Oh, okay, there. I can move this to midpoint. Around there, cool. Around 75%. Come on, a little bit further down. I know it's a support zone, but you've got this, little cupcake. You've got this. Ellipses. Step 1, take the trade. Step 2, breathe. What is that you're speaking of? What is breathing? Some guy, get confused to confuse your enemies. I like that. Looks like a small bull flag. Vujay, let's be positive here, buddy. Come on. JX, welcome, I think. I don't know. Come on. Hit around 75%. Let's go, bud. Yeah, there we go. Break even. A little bit for comms. Now we wait and see. Breathing is an ancient art that's known to help extend lives. Ellipses, I don't know about that, hey? Interesting. So, consuming oxygen. Yeah. There are more successful brain surgeons on the planet than profitable traders. Hey, Laura Davidson, how are you doing? Thank you, right, good. Well, let's see. Where's Boom Banana? Is he full porting? No, you little bugger. Oh well. Break even, but oh, I maybe moved my break even a little bit low. I'm up $21. Cool. Anyways. I think I read about the breathing you speak of in a book once. Able to release body DMT with certain breathing. Really? Oh, so what I wanted to say was fun. Is it a fun fact? I don't know. People that smoke. How do I put this? Breathe wrong. Sorry, this is just something I learned when I was doing personal trading. Whoop whoop! Yay! Ah. GX, you're welcome. I'm glad I worked for you. $21 is better than a kick in the nuts. You're right, some guy, it is. Cool. I'm not gonna complain about that, you know. Obviously not a win-win, but break even. We will go with it. You absolute rude. Watch it go down now. Anyways. Hell yeah, I've never had Chipotle. Never had Chipotle. Is it good? Is it worth it? Is Chipotle all that? I really thought of maybe wanted to tap in. Wait, let's see. So I heard zoom out and look left. What am I looking at? I read it. I can't hear you guys. Or can I? Maybe talking to rubbish. Oh, thank heavens. I moved it to break even. It would have been a loss. Meow. Have we made up our minds on what we want to do? Not yet. Cool. Do I trade cryptos? Average bishop? No, sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Break even too. Oh well. Oh, sorry, ellipses. That's okay though. Break even, better than a loss, right? In by nose, out by mouth. It's kind of hard to smoke that way. It's not even so much that we are the change. So when you smoke, when you suck the smoke in, you contract your lungs. Whereas obviously when you breathe in, you're supposed to be expanding your lungs. So you're almost teaching. Does that make sense? Yeah, anyways. Bull 88, that's a volatile chart. Hell yeah, it is. It's a itty bitty bit scary today. Mushroom bag? Huh. Again, is Chipotle really, I'm assuming it's really good. Trust the full port to Chipotle, it's good. Okay. I kind of want it now, but yeah. You, boom. Yeah, you suck, you inhale the smoke, but when you do it, you contract. Yeah, anyways. Yeah. Marcia, hi, how you doing? It's going okay. I think okay is a accurate description. Like this was a, oh wait, maybe I should do that. This was a break even right over here. So that's fine. Point is, I took the trade. I stopped overthinking so much. Where is Trife? Where's Trife? Where's Trife? I took the trade. Okay, wait, it went out break even there. Okay. Break even. I kind of thought it would want to pop into the order block down here. Didn't. Slip and loss. I do not have OnlyFans. Hey, son. Okay, so it's done. It's good to sell now. You think so? That's good, Marcia. That's good. Some guy, how's it looking for you? Entry order block. 0 stop loss. TP 963. Wait, I'm being blonde. Huh. Let's see if it would have worked. Internet. Wait, is that what yours is? Oh, Colossus console. No. I have not. Sorry, I do have breaks in between. I've not been streaming for that long. Thanks, son. Are you leaving? Okay, bye. Oh, you're locking it in. Got it. Colossus, pop me an email. I might pop you in a link. There was someone else asking me the same thing. Maybe we can go through it together. Yeah, if you're keen for that. Again, not like I'm amazing. Please don't think I'm amazing. But I was exactly where you are, Feb, so I get it. We're slowly closing in on your TP2 of 106. Some guy? That is amazing. What? Well done. Hey! Valipanti? Hi. Valipanti? There we go. Got it. How you doing? Hey, TJ Byrne. How you doing? I think that's right. What strategy do I use? So, my own little strategy. It just uses auction market theory and dagnab it. Here we go. Internet, this looks good. I'm sorry, I have hiccups. JJ, do I want tips? I mean, go for it, please. Anything is awesome. You know, this is about learning. Colossus Council. Teachmyotrading@gmail.com. Super easy. Oh, right, sorry. It uses some ICT and SMC confluences as well in it, but it's basically, sweet and simply, auction market theory. Skeletor, seriously. Tube Treasure, hi, how are you doing? The Borg, today I found out Pandora's box was not a box. What was it? Yeah, some guy, oh yeah, that was really good. That was really good. TJ Bone, prop firm. Yeah, I'm using a prop. I'm using top one. Yes, top. Oh, my brain went what? Top one futures. I see we've hit a little bit of a support and resistance zone. Cool. Cool. Tube Treasure, all good. Just got back from work, getting ready to trade. Nice. You've missed some wild stuff today. Moving like a Libra, indecisive. I don't know much about star signs and stuff. I don't even know if I truly believe in all of that stuff, but you know, I'm always open to the idea of things like that. Yeah, Skeletor, you're on fire today. These are good. These are really, really good today. Okay, wanting to push up on ES. Internet, you still in this, right? Oh, wait, John? I thought you weren't in this? I thought you were done trading? Yes? No? Maybe? Or you're just talking about the chart in general? See the price action now. It's anemic as expected, to be honest. I'd like to see the low revisited and then go back in the range. RIP. Let's see if it does that. This is how it is when you have a job next to trading. I guess Tube Treasure makes sense. Difficult. Risking 1650. Okay. You did? Boom, cool. Where did you get it on? Or what prop? I don't know. I guess it doesn't really matter, but out of curiosity. I believe there's been studies done and there's an inverse correlation between beliefs in astrology and IQ. Really? Peter, what is it that happens? What do you do that's against the rules? But right now to speculate on today is pointless. Yeah, the RIP valid. The stars aren't even in the same location as they were when astrology was invented. Oh, gosh, I'm back. That's interesting. Interesting. Top step. Noise. Sipping coffee. Jason the Hole. I've had too much coffee today. But it's fine. We're gonna be fine. I'm gonna sleep great. Anyways. Looks like 618 fib is holding. I'm gonna try long again. Okay, let's see. Well, yeah, I did say it looks like it's popping up on ES. Okay. Maybe. Ellipses, really? Why? Oh, Jay, yes, I do. Gave it away. I do. It's really bad. Sorry about that. I've been using Top Step. I haven't run into any issues, and I've traded scalping and holding different size. What happened? Elite profits. I don't think. Oh, sorry. No. Different person with regards to the Top Step thing. Sorry about the confusion. At least elite profits. Don't crash having too many espressos. I probably will. It'll be fine though. Bag, that was a wild ride reading that. But anyways. Are you gonna retrace back a little bit before you go all the way up, please? That would be great. That would be fit. Why am I doing that? That's the wrong freaking thing. Cam. Oh, come on, Wi-Fi. Let's not do this. What prop do you use, DJ Burn? In an ES long right now on the 5 minute. Ooh, nice. Only true trader. This looks promising. If it goes back down. If being the key word right now. If being the keyword. Come on. Let's go back down a little bit. Let's be nice to the little Mio Maya. That'll be great. Four. No, this is 3, not 4. Okay, let's see. 1, 3. I'm a little bit nervous about this. Gosh, in fact, this is a while. Anyways. Ellipses. Moving on. Ellipses, why have you never had coffee? Just out of curiosity. Just never wanted to? Is there a reason? At least my ex notified me before she left. Huh. Do you ever notice that Wi-Fi networks always act up on nice weather? Nice weather? No, I have the opposite. They always act up when it's yucky. This is not great. Hit the resistance level on ES. Dag nabbit. Oh, what is happening? Okay, well. I feel like I'm being way too slow today. Come on, coffee, do your thing. Okay, it's around that level. Come on, pop a little bit higher. Keep going. Oh, there's a fight going on here, and oh, why do I have a feeling the sellers are gonna win? Oh, yeah. Wayne Broad, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's Yerba Mate? No Wi-Fi. Oh, crud. Oh, crud. That's not good. That's not good. Come on. Well, I guess I'm in blind on this right now. This is gonna hit my stop loss. Can't do anything. Hit there, hit there. Come on. Expect it a little bit more. Nah, this is gonna wick me out. Well, not just wick me out, this is gonna take me out. It's not you, sorry. That was me. That was my Wi-Fi while I was in this trade, which sucks because I kind of wanted to pop out at break even when it popped back up. No, in the same breath, it's hands off, right? It's hands off, leave it alone. Don't mess with something. When you're in, you're in. Don't be messing around with the strategy. Oh, nice, John. Well done. It was me. Sorry, ellipses. Sorry. Caffeine is a drug, but not as bad as sugar. Yeah. Listen, rather coffee than drinking some of those energy drinks, right? Some guy, that's exactly. I'm gonna... Yeah. Again, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah, did it make a double top on ES? Kinda did, didn't it? Exactly, some guy. So that's why I was like, oh, I should have... No. No? Like you said, it's part of the game. It's hands off. Stick to your strategy. Win or lose. So around here, a little bit lower, is where I would then move my stop loss a little bit up. Oh, yeah, Jay, that is true, JJ. Your local shorts provider. Hey yo, how you doing? Bro, do I have to freaking block you again for 5 minutes? Do you need another timeout out of curiosity? Bujay, there's still hope. Yeah, nope. All hope is going down the toilet now just because you said that, Bujay. No, I'm joking. Nothing to do with you. Then maybe. Anyway. There we go. The rip. Yeah. It's fine. I don't teach local shorts. Definitely not a teacher. Oh my goodness, this is just being mean now. This is just teasing me. Might take your session volume profile. Yep. Las. Oh well. And there's the pop down. Okay, but I will make a note here. Mother fluffer. Whoop. Okay. Went against me around. Right bipolar market on the note. Internet. Sorry. I looked up and saw that. I was like, okay. Bujo no mode. Oh, thanks. Why? Geordie, what's happened? Geordie? Oh no, what happened, Geordie? Structure and push in your favor from what I can. Blame it on you. No, Booja, I will never blame it on you. Juan, I'll explain now. Oh, sorry, Geordie. That's okay, though. What do you mean? What am I doing on my computer? Dude. Travel the universe. Show me your trading journal. A little private, isn't it? Anyways, oh, my emotions. Wait, what was I gonna say? There we go. Yes. Okay. Sorry, gotta make my notes. Okay. Little pencils there. Into there, checking something. Okay. Ellipses, you're still green. That's not bad though. Already taken. I'll manage. That's okay, Geordie. Oh well. And it doesn't matter. The music is pure vibes. Okay. That's okay. Don't you worry. Grass is fictional. Notion. No, I haven't, Geordie. Notion, where's my note? Where's my notes? Notion. There we go. So for crying out loud, I deleted the wrong damn stupid thing. Fine. Then I guess this is the way to go. A minute. Hasn't taken that out yet. Tapped into the order block though. Yeah, teeny tiny little tap. Which means it might trace back up one last time. Let's see. I mean, the 50-minute doesn't look ideal, does it? Internet, now it's flirting with your TP. That's just rude. The audacity. Okay. How big is this? Okay. Does the market have customer support team? I need to contact someone. Internet, I guess that would be like Wall Street. Oh, no, Boom, what happened? Jordy, do you have to do that? That's unnecessary. $1v3 edge me so hard. 2k, but a win is a win. Yeah, that's fine. Nanomix, I did. Had one break even and one loss, but that's fine. Oh, Skeletor. I don't know if I'm just gonna be chasing price now if I try get in on this. I don't know if I'm gonna be dumb if I do this. It's gonna do one more like fake out. 5, so 4 would be good. John, no, I haven't missed my entry. Here's my entry. This would be my entry, but maybe 3 again. I have missed it, trust me. Why? That made me scared. Why? I mean, like I said, I know it tapped into the order. No, okay. Then if I'm unsure, then you know what I do? I do same thing, but I put less contracts. And then if it's a loss, then I know, and then I'm done for the day. Limit by. Around here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, rip true. Come on, respect it. This, and this, and this. 3 there. It's more likely to reverse here. Why? Because it hit the order block, right? Probably. I was even commenting on the freaking 5-minute order block. And I didn't watch ES again. ES had hit there. I feel like I might as well just start making notes about the mistakes made today. There's a 64% that the low will be wicked. Oh, there we go. Interesting. %64%, seriously, Rip? Order blocks are just a reflection of volume. Oh, again, but then a lot of people are screwed. Damn. Five or a 6? I wonder. I don't think there's any truth to that, but I'm curious about if there is. It'll be very entertaining if there is. That's fine, I could just stay there. Ah, thanks for the sub, Super Lion King. Cool name, by the way. Yes, hit that resistance level. Respect it. Anyways. Have you done a case study on it? GAN decode? Heavy lift gang. Hey, how's it doing? Anti-forwards, hi. John, sellers have to step in now. Oh, nope. Looks like the buyers are stepping up. Yeah, it's fine. That's interesting. Okay, why? Wayne Broad, yes I was. Candy code, go on. I'm super curious. Shoot. Okay. No. Then I'm gonna call it. Well, am I gonna call it? Should probably call it there. Clearly my head's not in the correct space today. Please leave me alone. Sorry, there's moths here today because of the rain and they're bugging me. Okay. JJ, just bad day. Just bad day. Not a good day. It's fine. It's okay. It is what it is. It's a payment towards my tuition. John, just reset. Okay. So, that. I'm not taking this, but I'm curious. John, tomorrow's a new day. Yeah, exactly. I'm not phased. You know, like everyone says, losses are part of it. So it's fine. I'll divide my date of birth with fraction to come up with 5 or 6. Internet. Funny, hey? Go on GAN decode? Why not? Winston, look, I checked the 5-minute. I did. Oh, that's okay, Lipsies, right? We're all in this together. Nearly started High School Musicaling it, then you know. You're from India? Hey, Raj, how you doing? Thanks. Advyata? I messed that up completely. I'm so sorry. Thank you. One, you zoomed in too much. 2, mid-waves. Select swing high and low and apply time cycle indicator. You'll get cycle of market. Interesting. Do I have Discord? I do, John. I do. Pop me a email. I can send you a thingy, my blubby, whatchamacallit. What? Link. Gosh. Just buy high and sell low. Don't you mean the other way around? You son of a gun. You absolute son of a gun. Internet, wow. Got me there. That sent me. That was good. That was really good. Internet. Oh, flip. I don't even know if I have the time cycle indicator. Must say, Project X with its indicators is not ideal. What am I looking at? Time cycle. Nope. Don't got it, sorry. Juan, just pop me an email, then I can send you the code. Just hi. Or Discord, question mark, something like that. What line are we watching? Line? And which exchange? So I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Sorry. Oopsies. I like sell for the structure, but not in love with my entry. Oh, here? This whole structure? The entry would be better at 0.2, right? Yeah, then it would be a 4R. Actually, higher. This would be a better entry. Because I can tap into the order block. It's got VWAP. And there's a lovely little fair value gap up there as well, right? Ellipses, is that what you were thinking? Something like this? Yeah, actually that's decent. What? Internet, you funny. Jason the Hole, what? Is that a birthday cake? It's not my birthday if that's what you're asking. And then there's 4R by just below the one. What? That's weird, John. What? Just pop me an email, teachminotrading@gmail.com. Thanks. Wait, I was super confused there. It's internal even on the 1 minute. You should determine your main 1 minute structure. I mean, some guy, that's valid. Even on the 1 minute, you should determine your main 1 minute structure. With the current. Interesting. Oh, you asking me when my birthday is, Jace? Ellipses, look at you go. Well remembered. Arisham, I ride horses. Like that? Is that what you're thinking about, some guy? Boom Banana, why are you going, ooh, you make me nervous when you do that. The now setup might not go all the way down, it already hit the supply zone. Oh, interesting. Rip, you have a point, you did call it. Ah, thank you. Got it, John. Oh, cheers, Rip. Enjoy. I can be a tennis player. I'm not great at tennis. Jason the whole duh. What do you guys want specifics about when my birthday is? I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? Are you talking about this level though, some guy? Yeah? Wow, this would have missed me by a tick. That would have annoyed the living daylights out of me. Why does this low-key look good now? That's fine. It's fine. Jordy, what did you do? Jordy? I feel like I've missed something, but anyways. Mangoes or oranges? Damn it, mangoes. I like mangoes. Anyways. We're only trading in the point. No. Jason Hall, thanks. I appreciate that. Wait. Joanne, how long have I been trading for? So I've only been trading since April. Say only. I know for some people that's probably a long time, but for me it's only been trading since April. And structure example in Discord. Thank you, Samga. I'll go check it out now. Okay, adjust screen size. What do you mean? Can move because my doggo was on my foot. Wow. I mean, there we go. Jordy, did you thank your dog? Thanks, Sean. Yeah, that's the thing. I'm still a baby in the game, trying to figure things out. It's hard. It's very hard. Hey, Jordy, that's still really good. Well done. Whoop whoop. Can we talk about how I predicted the manipulation reversal yesterday? You did, Morn. Well done. Ellipses. Right, maybe I need to have a talk with my dog. Be like, you need to start pulling your weight around here. A little off the TP targets, but crazy. And love your losses, that's how you grow. Yeah, Jean, but that's why, as you can see, I'm trying really hard to not take these losses too seriously. Trying hard, because, you know, obviously you gotta feel them a little bit to learn from them, but it is what it is. Internet, yeah, I've only been trading since April. Thank you though, internet, that makes me feel good. You did, Jordy, and I loved it. I love it. Anyways. You're from Bangladesh? Hi, I'm from South Africa. I don't know why I sung that, and that was very cringe, but moving on. Hey, some guy TN. Some guy. I told some guy about you because, sorry, I got overly excited about that. Morn, this is your 4th month trading. See, Morn, but I understand that people grow at different times and all that whatnot. If this is now a winning trade, I'm gonna be a little bit grumpy. Hey Craig, well welcome. And Mikey Planet, how you doing? Oh, Arisha, I'm down. I'm in the red. Oh well. I had 2 losses today and 1 break even. The break even was good, but yeah, I'm otherwise down today. Oh well. Sean, you've been doing this for 4 years. Wow, and? Hey, Devante, you're from South Africa. Samesies, how you doing? There's a bunch of us here. Mikey Planet, I'm good. So I mean, I've had 2 losses. This is gonna be a win. I can see it already. Don't know why I'm throwing a temper tantrum. I'm not in it, but it's fine. That's probably why I'm throwing a temper tantrum. Seriously? Maybe it's not gonna go as high as I think it is. Okay, never mind. Ignore me. Oh, I have hiccups. I'm so sorry. Just, oh my goodness. I'm gonna hold my breath. Give me a second. long term. Give it a second. Okay, I think they're gone. I'm a day trader, just some guy at TN. Oh, thanks, Harisham. You're very sweet. Devante, what chart? I'm on the NASDAQ futures for crying out loud. It's fine. Ellipses, honestly. You think about this one right here. What absolute garbage is that? Yeah. But that's fine. But I was actually potentially looking at this. I don't know. For long, thinking maybe it'll pop back up to VWAP, but maybe not. It'll just pop off of that shelf. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down again. Some guy scuba diving into the market. Internet, yeah. Like I'm leveraging a mil and 500 points to draw down to really get that anxiety. I mean, no, like I understand learn from your losses, but obviously don't put yourself in debt and scare yourself stupid. Sorry, I could have a little bit of debate with regards to that. Oh, what time frame? Sorry, I'm on the 1 minute right now. Oh, interesting, Wayne. Okay. Yeah, but John, I'm not here. Of course. Of course. Just so that you guys know why I'm saying of course. This is, give me a second. This is what I was looking at. Is it gonna work? I don't know, but looks like it would have. Where's Solly? Solly? Where's Solly at? Got way too excited there. Hey, Solly, if you're there. Joan, done what I'm doing now? What do you mean? It's behind, and I'm always leveraging what I'm willing to lose, but the mindset of the loss being catastrophic retains it in your brain better. That it makes sense. It makes sense. It makes sense. I'm trying to be a bit more long term. I'm at 1.87% loss today, but I'm up 31% overall. Oh, that's not bad. Just some guy. Well done. Huh. Hippo trader, I'm not an Australian, believe it or not. PS is moving up from a drop. Yeah, but why couldn't I have done it earlier when I actually wanted the freaking buy? But anyways, so this would have been break even. Oh. Okay, this looks like it would have been a break even trade. Anyways. Oh, Sean, no, don't worry, don't worry. I'm done. I'm done for the day. Had my loss. It is what it is. Oliver, no. So I'm in South Africa. So lucky me. You know, lucky duck me. There's the entry, by the way. Would have tagged in. Huh. Anyways. Lucky for me, in South Africa, London session is at like 9 a.m. well 10 a.m. for me, and New York session is at 3:30 p.m. So yeah, I'm good. Serious pod gems, it does. It helps distract me when I'm in a trade. Naturally, this is not gonna work. No breakout to be seen yet, and probably won't until 12. Oh, there we go, Morn. Yeah, don't. Like I said, I'm not in a trade. I'll leave the chaos up for now, and I'll come back and have a look at it tomorrow. But yeah. Hi, Vishal. How you doing? Under the 200 is bearish. Ah, nice. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, I'm done for today, regardless. A little bit of red, but it's fine. It is what it is. Yeah, I just don't have any, just some guy. Did I do a top-down analysis? No. Wayne, that is good. What's good? That I'm leaving it for today, right? Yeah. Oh, it is just gonna chop. Now English. Goodness gracious. Boom, why are you yelling at me? What did I do now? Why is Boom yelling at me? Jordy, what happened with Vishal? Did you block him? What happened? Why did he make your day? Oh, I'm always scared to ask that question, but what happened? Try wonder, you're going face down. What do you mean? Hi, Boom. Why are you yelling at me? Let me copy paste that. What I do, as you saw just before I hopped into a trade, I jumped between the different time frames. Ah, cheers, Jordy. Enjoy. Go have a good night. Go chill. We got this. Tomorrow's a new day. And tomorrow is the day that Boom Banana full ports live. Just saying. Trading World, thanks, you're very sweet. This is for high time frame standard deviation to know whether price is an accumulation, distribution, or manipulation. Oh, thanks, Mon. I copy pasted it. That was what I was doing there, by the way. There we go. Got it, Jordy. Oh, is that why you're yelling at me? Because it's dumb to forward test with actual money, right? I need to back test this properly before I take a trade with it. Is that why you're yelling at me? Because I didn't take this 4R trade? I mean, it would have ticked in perfectly, but still. I'll leave it up to see if it would have been a winner. Trading World, top one futures. Is Boom on London or New York? New York tomorrow, some guy. So then maybe you'll be able to see it. Oh, interesting, Sean. Did you start with prop firms though? Well, what did you start with, John? Okay, so this one would have been a break-even trade. Cool. Oh, cool. SMC for the win. Levin or Jensen. You're Jensen Nvidia who wants 1 trillion stocks. I mean, that would be cool. Anyways. Internet. Are you in this when I'm trading? Way before the 75. Yeah. No, well, I haven't really figured out where to do break even with the 4R strategy yet. I'm just forward testing to see if it's worth doing it, right? Jensen, you got everyone excited here. It's all a bubble, sell. Just some guy, yeah. Well, yeah. Devante, use 4-hour charts or 15 minutes. I jumped betwixt them. Yeah. And I just said betwixt to sound a little bit fancy. So, wait. Ellipses. With your 4R strategy, when do you go break even out of curiosity? Jason the whole, I like your lizard jacket. I have a lizard jacket. What? What did I say? What did I say? Me messing around with this thing, I'm gonna stab myself. Stab myself. Oh man, you people are funny. Hey! Jean? Jean? Internet, what up? Please explain to me my strategy. Devante, I will... Oh, well... Will I? Yeah, well, I'm probably gonna hop off now, but sure, let's ignore the 2 X's. They look so sad. Okay, let me quickly go through what I did wrong here, quick sticks. Just doing it mentally so y'all can chat between yourself quickly. I know some guy, I normally do... Maybe I must just start playing with my shark again. See, the shark at least is squishy, but it has a hole, so it doesn't make a satisfying pop that it used to. That, it doesn't do that anymore. I'm a little nightmare. Can maybe just play with that? Sorry. Can you tell the ADHD is kicking in? That was frustrating because I feel like that would have been a win. Whatever. Or I would have worked there. Okay, I'm figuring some things out. Giving money, time, sweat, and our blood for the market. Internet. Yeah. But, you set break even based on price action, actually. If it has formed a new structure, like a new low or high, then I set break even. Interesting. Okay, and then do you, trail stop? I know, I didn't mean to. The problem is there's 2 violent ones here. There's this little thing as well, which is also has a pin, and I've been playing with the both of them, which is probably a bad idea, but anyways. Jean, what do I think about BTC? I haven't really looked into it, so I can't give advice on it. Okay. That one would have been break even. Why does it look like this 4R would have been solid? Oh, thanks, Devante. I'm having a look quick sticks at something. This just looks like chaos today. I think I was not very disciplined with my patience today, was I? But it's fine. Why not, John? Go on then. John, you could always just come join me one day for funsies. I do co-streams. Boom Banana's gonna hop on tomorrow and full port a 50k account. Ooh, okay, Lipsy's awesome. Okay, but on that frustrating note, red day today. It is what it is. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see. Yeah, Jean, 100%. So you sent me... We can maybe do it next week. You must just let me know when you're available. I'm super happy to do some post streams. Like I said, got Boom Banana hopping on tomorrow. Just a lot of people are just too scared to hop on. Which is, yeah, don't be scared. I'm nice. You guys are nice most of the time. Thanks, some guy. Well, Devante, hop back on tomorrow. I gotta go eat some food. I'm 3 coffees in and Ellipses is gonna yell at me, but no food in today, so I need to go and eat before hangry takes over and crazy starts losing control. Anyways, thanks, some guy. 1 minute time frame always looks like chaos. Higher time frames gives more method madness. Mikey Planet, that is true. Thank you. Oh, cool. You used to play for pro teams. Sorry, this is... Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm not making you get on, Boom. Stop lying. The dice are making you get on. Okay. Be a long day for New York. 2 hours in and it's like watching paint dry. I mean, it's better than yesterday, Jace. It's much better than yesterday. Morn, I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Do you like a South African and make a bride? I am South African, Aldo. But it's raining, so I can't go and have a braai right now. If you need help... I think you have to ask him that tomorrow when you can see him. He'll blink like 50 times, but it's fine. Oh, South Palm just about to leave. No! Sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, God. Sorry, Aldo. Okay, I'm gonna go before I start getting yelled at even more. Bye. Thanks for joining me. I will be... Well, actually, guys, take a note. Tomorrow is gonna be super... Oh, Aldo, you're so sweet. Thank you. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be super entertaining. Boom's hopping on to co-stream. He's going to full port a 50k account. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Let's see what tomorrow brings. I'm kind of curious. So join in tomorrow for the New York session. London session, I'll still be here, but you know, New York's just gonna be super entertaining. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. You know, it was Southpaw. What time do I usually start? Oh, sorry, Southpaw. So I start New York Open. Yeah. I see you hop on for the PM. Yeah, I start for the New York Open time. Although, what's the lesson and notes for the day of today? Scroll up. I will... Yes. Start atting you in the Discord to remind you to eat. Thanks, some guy. Okay. And before I get distracted, food. Okay. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me. I will be back tomorrow, both London and New York session, open time. Southpaw. There we go. Again, thanks for joining. I'm talking fast because I've had too much coffee. I love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.